Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a groundbreaking investment opportunity that is set to revolutionize the decentralized financial landscape, the launch of the Safest Trades SFT coin. In this video, we will introduce you to the safest ecosystem, tokenomics, token value enhancement mechanisms and community benefits, all centered around the concept of a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO. Before we delve into the specifics of this new coin, let's understand what an ecosystem is. An ecosystem is a dynamic network where various elements interact and influence each other. In this groundbreaking endeavor, we have created a dynamic ecosystem empowered by blockchain technology, forming a decentralized and secure financial network. Here, individuals collaborate for mutual benefits, united in their pursuit of financial growth and empowerment. Together, we build a community of investors, traders, and professionals, driving innovation and transparency in the financial landscape. SFT coin has three key features: utility, payment, and governance. SFT coin serves as a utility token within its ecosystem, providing access to various services and functionalities, enhancing user experiences. As a seamless payment method, SFT coin facilitates quick and low-cost transactions, making it a preferred choice for users and businesses. SFT coin enables community members to actively participate in decision-making through voting and proposals, giving stakeholders a say in the platform's future. With transactions verified on a secure blockchain and decentralized ledger, SFT coin ensures reliability, transparency, and resistance to manipulation. With its versatile features and robust governance, SFT coin's potential for widespread adoption and increased value appreciation holds promising prospects for the future. BNB Smart Chain is a cutting-edge blockchain platform shaping the future. BNB Smart Chain, a fast and cost-effective blockchain platform, utilizes mining for transparent transaction verification. Decentralized ledger technology records every transaction immutably, forming a foundation of trust. Tokens belong to the community, with exchange value determined by demand and supply. It supports smart contracts and token deployment, empowering a dynamic, community-driven ecosystem. Presenting the Safest Trades SFT coin, the ultimate utility, payment, and governance token that will revolutionize the world of finance. Brace yourself for a paradigm shift in investment and financial freedom. One of the most exciting aspects of our project is the implementation of a decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO. This groundbreaking concept allows community members to have a say in decision-making and project governance, creating a truly decentralized and self-sustaining system. As a blockchain-based crowdfunding investment advisory firm, we pride ourselves on a diversified portfolio. From crypto and forex to stocks, real estate, gold, diamond mining, and plantations, we leverage industry expertise for informed decisions and optimized returns. The safest reinvestment method involves allocating 85% of returns to repurchasing tokens from the open market through Safest.exchange, benefiting the community and promoting price stability. The remaining 15% is reinvested in carefully evaluated and community-driven DAO proposals, fostering innovation and ecosystem expansion. This balanced approach ensures sustainable growth and long-term benefits for both the community and the platform. During our beta period, we achieved an astounding average return of 1.06% per day, resulting in an impressive 21.2% monthly return and an annual percentage rate, APR, of 254.4%. The SFT coin lies at the heart of our vision, a utility, payment, and governance token that underpins the entire ecosystem. Let's delve into the intricacies of the tokenomics that ensure its stability and growth. Let's explore Safest Trades SFT coin's token allocation and unlock periods. Our total supply is 1 billion tokens. Our thoughtfully designed tokenomics ensures equitable distribution among stakeholders. With 50% for the SD treasury, 10% for the team, 8% for crowdfunders, 12% for angel investors, and 20% for the public ICO, we build a strong and diverse community driving success. For angel investors, we have 3 stages: Seed 1 at 1 cent per SFT, Seed 2 at 2 cents, and Seed 3 at 5 cents. When we talk about vesting schedule, ST Treasury has a monthly cliff unlock of 2%. Team and angel investors have quarterly unlocks with a 5% cliff period. Crowdfunders have 100% unlocked at TG, while public ICO has 20% at TG and quarterly unlocks with a 20% cliff period. Our swap option enables easy conversion to USDT, ensuring liquidity, and the safest exchange trade market facilitates seamless trading of SFT against major crypto assets. Together, we create a sustainable and transparent financial ecosystem. At Safest Trades, our strategies are focused on maintaining price stability and creating value for our community. From our buyback mechanism to liquidity pool and coin market, every aspect is geared towards sustainable growth. We are at the forefront of innovation, working towards enabling effortless integration between digital assets and traditional currencies. Our vision includes the establishment of future crypto versus fiat exchange centers, where users will be able to seamlessly convert SFT to major fiat currencies like USD, Euro, GBP, SGD, INR, LKR, and AED. These exchange centers will exclusively accept SFT coin for fiat conversions. This means that if anyone wants to exchange USDT for fiat, they will need to acquire SFT first, making it a key gateway to fiat conversions. We incentivize the community to drive demand for SFT by encouraging more crowdfunders, CFs, to join the community. Through strategic partnerships with merchants and e-commerce platforms, we maximize the utility and adoption of SFT coin. Embrace the exciting concept of subtokens associated with specific functionalities or benefits, such as Mangrove's carbon credit tokens. Furthermore, witness the development of our metaverse ecosystem, where SFT will play a pivotal role in a digital universe for investment and transactions. To maintain market dynamics and stabilize the token's value, we introduce a token burning mechanism. Excess supply will be permanently removed from circulation in the event of considerable drop in the market price as per the DAO voting decisions. As we conclude this presentation, we invite you to join us on this extraordinary journey of financial empowerment and innovation. Invest in the future, where the power lies in the hands of the people through decentralized decision-making. Together, we will create a financial ecosystem that stands the test of time. You are now part of the future of finance, a world of decentralized investment opportunities, transparency, and community-driven decision-making. Embrace the power of SFT coin and join us on this extraordinary journey. Together, let's reshape DeFi and FinTech for the better.